Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add mobile frame to our design in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Canva, and first of all, we need to go to the elements. Go to the elements and you're going to scroll down until you find mockups. Okay, this one. And I'm going to click on see all, and since we want to add mobile frame, we can choose smartphone mockups. Okay, and you can choose the type of the frame you want to add to your design. For me, I'm gonna go with this one guys. I'm going to add this this mockup to my design. But wait, like this. I'm going to zoom in. Alright, and we can add image to this frame. I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to select, for example, this image. We just need to drag the image to the frame and the image will be added to the frame. Alright, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add mobile frame or smartphone frame to our design in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!